They had mine open too, son.
The shit doesn't work very good.
Take it off the fucking gun.
You can't.
I can't.
Well, you can, but... Tell me what target you're going for.
We go for, I'll just go for that middle front gopher.